Hello there, this is Michael, and we're looking at the weekly Forex um, forecast or update. And so we're looking at the USD card, AUD card, and other pairs. But first, let's look at this product of ours, the Premium Forex Signal Service, which goes for $200 monthly. This Premium Signal Service of ours, you know, is to help you take your trading to the highest possible level, to help you to make the most profits possible from forex trading. And I charge $200 monthly for it, and the reason is simple: it's worth it. And the truth is, it's worth a lot more than $200 monthly, but that's what I've chosen to charge for it. And you can check the channel to see the review of the Forex Signal Service and see for yourself how profitable we have been. It's only high probability trading setups. If it is not high probability, count us out. We're not going to get involved. And of course, there's a 10% commission, just as an incentive for you to introduce or get your friends who are also traders to get involved in what we do. I think, yeah, that's it for that. Now let's go into the business of the day, the USD card currency pair. Now, for USD card, like I've always said, it's been a bullish move, right? And I have bullish expectations of this market. So based on my bias of the market, what I would say is that what I would expect is that the market will come into this zone, into this 1.35866 zone, and give us a bullish day close above. Then we can expect a bullish move from there, just like I posted here earlier, just like I drew here earlier. So this is what I'll be expecting, that the market will come into the zone, give us a bullish day close above, and then it pushes higher, from that point, right? But if the market comes into this 1.37908 area and gives us a day close below that zone, then I would expect the market to sell off from that point, the USD card currency pair. So our expectations remain the same. We keep our fingers crossed, waiting for the market to do what we have been expecting, and that's how we trade. We are patient and waiting. Alright, so to the next one, the AUD USD currency pair. Now, AUD USD has been bearish. Has been bearish for a while. So what should we expect going forward? Well, what I see here is that there's still a possibility that if we get a bearish day close at this point, the possibility that we get a bearish day close at this point, at this 0.66817 zone, then we can see lower prices like the 0.65977 and or as low as the 0.67665. Take note that our entry time frame on this analysis are the daily time frame, or is the daily time frame rather. Our entry time frame is the daily time frame. So if we get a bearish day close of this zone, at this zone, we might see lower prices. And if we see the market push as high as the 0.68405 area, because that's another zone plotted on my chart, you see the market come as high as that, and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then we might see lower prices as low as the 0.66817. So this is what I'll be expecting for the AUD USD currency pair. This is what I'll be expecting for the AUD USD currency pair. So let's move on to the next one, the Euro AUD. Okay, so Euro AUD is getting closer to our point of interest, or let's say zone of interest. So Euro AUD price is coming closer to our zone of interest. This is the weekly, and it's been a bullish market for some time right now, and it has not given us significant signs that it wants to get bearish. Yeah, I know some people might say, well, this is a lower low right here, broke below this, and it has refused to make a higher high. I understand all that, but in my opinion, this might just be a deep retracement. From my experience in the market, this might just be a deep retracement before another massive bullish move to break the previous highs. And if you even check the monthly time frame, you can see that it's as though it's a bullish move. Let me highlight that. It's as though it's a bullish move, and then we have a pause. Right, look at that, looking like a pause right there. Looks like a pause. The market is making a pause, and there's a possibility when you see things like this, you see a bullish move, you see a pause, then you should expect another bullish move. You see a bearish move, you see a pause, then expect another bearish move. So this is what I'll be, the approach I'll be having in this market. So let's take this out so the price can be clearer, or the chart can be clearer. So what would I be looking out for Euro AUD? Now for Euro AUD, we've seen the market coming close to the zone, this 1.61884 zone, and so we keep our fingers crossed. We wait for the market to come into the zone. If the market comes into the 1.61844 zone, 884 zone rather, and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then we should expect the market to make a bullish move to the upside, at least to the, we should at least expect, or we could expect it to get to the 1.64093 area, or even much more into the 1.65546 zone as well. So that's what I'll be expecting for the market, for the Euro AUD market. But what if price moves from this point into the zone without getting to that zone? That's also possible. If it moves from this point into that zone without getting there and gives us a bearish day close below the 1.64093 zone, then I would expect the market to sell off a little, right? I would expect the market to sell off a little before looking forward to another buy opportunity. So the market can sell off if it gives us a bearish day close below the 1.64093 area, and before it continues upward. So that's also another thing that we could look out for in the market. So let's move on to Euro CHF. Now Euro CHF, as you can see with the chart, we have a couple of expectations, and one of the some of them are if we see the market come into the zone, we expect the market to make a bullish move before a possible continuation to the downside. We also anticipate that if we see the market come into the zone, which is looking more likely right now, that we might just see some bearish move. If we see the market push into the zone, we might see some bearish move. So which one is more likely at the moment? Well, we see this, that is the 0.99733 zone. We see price pushing towards that point. Price is pushing towards the 0.99733 zone. So if price gets into the 0.99733 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then we should expect a sell-off from that point, because the Euro CHF pair has been a very bearish pair for over several years, and there you have it, several years. So it has been very bearish. So I would expect that we should, bank much more on the bearish prediction than the bullish predictions. So if the market comes into that zone and gives us a bearish day close below the 0.99733 zone, then we should expect sell-offs from that point. That's that for the Euro CHF trade. Yeah, so you can be part of our premium forex signal service, the MyCan premium forex signal service, for $200 monthly. Earn highly you get highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level. You make so much profit following our premium forex signal service. My DM is opened, my Telegram DM is opened. The link to my Telegram DM is in the description below. Copy the link, put it in your browser and chat me up, and let's talk about you coming on board and you being one of those to benefit from the premium forex signal service. So we'll be expecting you. Thanks for watching.